Hi everyone, welcome back to the final video of my F-91 collection of watches. So as usual, we have the invoice and let's go through the unboxing process. Okay, there is no dent this time. And we proceed to open the box. So there is a bubble wrap inside the box, and I think the box is the watch is okay. And this will be the blue model, which is the F-91WM-2ADF. And we set aside the box and go through the documentation, which is the module or the manual, and also the warranty card. That's the warranty card. And we set this aside. And go through the watch and untie the tag. Okay, so this is a tag and the model number is written there. Okay, this is the blue model, and I'm zooming it in a little bit, and you can see the case itself is not really entire blue, but there is some sort of silver sprinkling all over the case. And the features of this watch is actually, the information is all over the internet, so I don't think I have to mention it here. That's the case back. And the strap. The ordinary strap for most of the F-91 watch. Okay, so this is the mode of all the F-91 watches, and a comparison with the original F-91, which is the 1DG model, and next will be the gray model, which is the 7A, followed with another gray one, the 8A, which is transparent strap, and the gold model 9A, and the green model 3A, and finally the dark gray model, which is the 1B. And this is how it's look on my 6.5 inches wrist. So next will be the backlight, which is not very good, but you can still see it in the dark. And finally, I have collected about 7 of this F-91 watch. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again next one.